There are many things with everybody wants. Everybody wants to have them, but nobody wants to give. And one of them is to be appreciated. We don't want to appreciate people, but we want appreciation. We don't want to listen to anybody, and we want to be listened. Whenever two people are talking, just just make sure 3, 4 people are there, and you will find someone trying to speak in between, and he is not ready to listen. Why can't he think that if he is not ready to listen, why should other people would listen to him? Everyone feels that he is in urgency. Everybody feels that he is more important. Whatever he wants to speak, that is more important. And that is most of the time making all this life chaotic. Most of the time we find the cases of road rage. Sometimes even people are being shot. What is the cause? Both of them were in hurry. And many times this is not in the case of road rage only. There is rage only for being fast, feeling more important, speaking more than required, listening less than, want to be appreciated at all cost, and always criticizing others, condemning others, demeaning others. What we give to life, this is a thumb rule. We are going to get the same kind of thing. Many times these things have certain exceptions, like parents are there, they want that their children should do well, and they always keep on telling, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this. And many times they are right. When you are spending so much time on internet, watching television, many times wasting money and time, they have right to say no to you. Same way in the case of teachers. Whenever any student is doing anything wrong, they will always say, do not do this. And students, by these demeanors, they feel that they are not being appreciated. Why should somebody appreciate something wrong? But there is other way also. That is for teachers also, for parents also, for elders also, people those who are in responsibility. They are given a charge, they are given certain work that has to be done at any cost in particular time. There are set of things which are to be followed, but there are ways. I know there are many silent workers. They never criticize, they never complain, they never depreciate anyone. Same way many bosses, big corporations, all bosses, they cannot go to all places. They delegate the things. They make people working under them more responsible by trusting them, by giving them opportunity to prove their worth. But in most of the cases, we find everything being controlled, and if something goes wrong, blaming anyone for one thing or another. Same way, that happens in schools also, in homes also. When we are not trusting those who are working with us, many times we come to know that in these cases, these people are not appreciated, because when we criticize, same criticism comes back to us, whether we are parents, whether we are teachers or boss, or a leader who is always giving orders. So what we give, same thing reflect back to us. So what we want, same thing will not come to us unless we give what everyone wants. So appreciate, admire, and put your things gently. That is the way. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you all. May God bless us all.